Buying Thunder Canyon Campground has been one of the most rewarding,
blessing,
yet challenging
curse
endeavors we've ever embarked upon.
It almost killed me last year.
It did. Our health struggled. Our YouTube channel suffered.
Finances were tough.
Yeah. So we're thinking about buying another campground.
God help us. Welcome back to the RV Couple. My name is John.
And I'm Mercedes, and we found freedom, independence, and adventure RVing this beautiful nation. And now we're building a
communities
that love God, family, country.
Amen, amen. And we never, ever, ever could have done any of this without the RV Oz Squad. We're going to ask you a question at the end of this video. We really need you guys to chime in and let us know. And also, please subscribe to our channel. Give this video a thumbs up.
It helps.
It really helps a lot.
But before we talk about what we're doing, because I know what you guys are thinking, you guys are crazy. We got to tell you a little story that just happened. And it really put things into perspective for us.
Yeah, we went out to dinner with a couple of friends. These friends have been very close to us. They were here when we first opened, just weeks afterwards. They've helped us financially. They're one of the owners. We had dinner with them last night, and they said something that just blew our mind.
They called Thunder Canyon Campground a well-oiled machine.
And what was cool is Mercedes and I just looked at each other and we high-fived each other.
I was in shock. You guys don't understand. I almost thought they were talking to the people behind me, you know?
But it's true. When we really step back and think about it, the last 3 years, this has been a bigger project than we could have ever imagined. At some points, we thought we had bit off a lot more than we can chew.
And it was so hard because everywhere I look, I see something that needs to be done. I feel like I fail every day. I mean, this is really hard on us. And for them to call it a well-oiled machine.
Yeah, you see, we're in the thick of it every single minute of every day. We don't see the progress. But the blessing is that over the past 3 years, we figured out how to do this. We figured out how to build a community. We figured out
hard-fought systems.
Hard-fought systems. And thank God for my wife, Mercedes, because it's been the administrative end that has made all the difference. The truth is, you guys, ever since we finished the chapel and grand opened it last Easter,
something shifted.
Something shifted. And it's been better ever since.
But it wasn't like all of a sudden better, no. But I think it was just, you know, when you change your trajectory 2 degrees, and so it's just been...
sausage making.
Oh gosh, yeah. So they're telling us that this is a well-oiled machine. We're looking back and reflecting, and this is a miracle. I mean, if I didn't believe in God, just the mere reality that Thunder Canyon is still here is proof of his existence, because everyone said that we bit off too much more.
Oh man, everybody. The haters were out there saying, you guys bit off more than you can chew. You're never going to make it. You're going to fall on your face. Everything. We were attacked like you guys wouldn't believe. But the truth is, we always kept our focus on the original mission that we had shared with you guys, which was to build a community that loves God, family, and country. So remember how this started, you guys? We were out full-time RVing all over the country. We had life by the nuggets. It was wonderful. YouTube was paying us to make videos and travel the country and see. And then the wheels, they just seemed to start coming off.
And the world got crazier and crazier. And just when you said it can't get any crazier, it doubled down and got worse.
And we saw a lot of our friends, thousands of them, get kicked out of campgrounds, have nowhere to go, be displaced. And so we started praying for discernment. I started praying for discernment and asking God to find me a piece of land for my family. And ended up that night that I got a message, I believe, from God that said, stop being so selfish, John. You're looking not only for yourself, but all these people who have blessed you with the success you've had with the YouTube channel. So I widened open that search to 250 acres, and we found Thunder Canyon the very first search.
And then we're seeing these big institutions that we thought would always be there, and you know, timeless institutions that are starting to crumble before our eyes. But we're being told the emperor's clothes look great. The emperor's clothes look great. And we're thinking we're crazy. Like, are we the only ones that think the emperor's naked here? And we're not. We're not the only ones that are thinking, man, I don't know about heavily populated areas. Yeah. We're not the only ones that are thinking, oh man, things could go kind of wonky, right? We're not the only ones that are craving that safety and security.
And community, shoulder to shoulder. We never...
not be alone.
We've been in here just about every single day since we started this, but it's taken thousands of people, thousands of visits to Thunder Canyon to make this work. You guys see, we don't have any employees here.
It's a voluntary mission.
We started with 22 owners, and now we're up to 32 owners with a waiting list now, people that want to get involved with this. People that come visit, they absolutely love it here. They find peace. They feel the presence of God here.
Yeah.
The chapel, Sunday church services every morning at 10 o'clock.
It's coming together.
The community, all of that work, right? And it's so true. Anything worth going after is worth fighting for. And we've fought our way through this. And it's finally at that calm place where we drive around and it's like everybody's family now. People come back for the 4th, 5th, 6th time.
And they know people here.
We know them, time takes time. And man, we are so grateful to God that God has allowed us to do this. We couldn't have never done it without God and the RV Squad.
But there's one problem. And that problem, which is also part of the blessing, is that we are in northern Alabama, and a lot of you are not in northern Alabama.
Biggest complaint we get is that we're so far away.
But there's different roles that campgrounds can fill. You have some campgrounds that are next to the interstate while you're traveling, and others that are next to the bucket list destination that, maybe next to Yosemite or Yellowstone, right? You have some campgrounds that are meant for quick stays and other campgrounds that are meant for long term.
And what's happened to unfold here at Thunder Canyon is we got long termers, we got members that come through. Wow, we've built a system that's amazing. All the hard work's done. Now we've got a model of what a campground in a community looks like, and we can move that anywhere in the United States of America.
Chances are, guys, let's be real, it's probably in a red state.
Probably in a red state, but again, God's will be done.
Well, the blue states need us more.
The blue state needs God family country more than anything else.
But I digress. That's why we're asking you guys for your feedback. We really listen to you guys. You guys are really part of, what this is. Now, the only caveat I will say is, please don't send the 10-page email with,
all
lots
these
of paragraphs.
Yeah.
Because if you're a founder, you already know what's going
Yep.
on, and our members are kind of in the loop. What we're asking you is your feedback. What is that location or what is that state that if we said, hey guys, the next RV Squad campground is in this state, that you would say, I'm there?
We're just looking for a beautiful spot to build another community that
That's
loves
safe.
God, family, country. So then we'll have Alabama and we'll have another safe place where our members can go and know that their neighbors always have their back. But we meet every single month with our founders, and they've decided all this. It wasn't Mercedes that decided all these things. Our owners, our members have decided the direction of Thunder Canyon.
And together, it's like iron sharpens iron.
Right.
And it really, you get this awesome end product when you collaborate.
And the other thing that happens here, 50% of the people that come to visit always extend for a few extra days.
It's true.
It's just peaceful. It's beautiful. So what we're looking for, we're looking for His will to be done first.
Yeah.
We're looking for a quiet, peaceful place out away from heavily populated areas.
Yeah.
And we're just hoping that if it's His will, we'll find a campground that He wants us to do. Maybe this is nothing. Maybe it doesn't happen. We don't know.
Watch, we're going to find like the best place in the middle of Detroit.
Thine will, not ours, be
If
done.
it's
We're
what's
open-minded to
supposed
see
to happen.
whatever it is, but we're actually praying for guidance, direction, discernment on what to do next. We are so blessed. So blessed. And again, if you've seen some of our videos over
And
the last
all the
3
challenges
years
that we've
and the
had.
challenges we've gone through in my health and all of it, you know how hard this has been. But the truth is that since Easter, our grand opening of the chapel last year, something shifted, you guys, and everything started to get a little bit easier. It's like the picture we used to dream about, that vision started to come fruition. And if you go back and you look at those videos, the idea was not just one park, it was multiple parks. Now, if you'd asked us this a year ago, there's no way we're ever going to do another park. There's absolutely no way we're going to do this.
That's like having a second child, and now we're like, oh, maybe.
Let's have another one right away. So we really want to know what you guys think. So, what state would you like us to go in? Can you just use the first 2 letters of each state? It'll make it a lot easier for us. And also pray that John Mercedes and the RV Odd Squad find a place that's going to
be the right place for all involved, because that's another big priority about this, is that it isn't about one person or the few. It's really about what's best for the overall community.
Our members absolutely
the
love this
caliber
place.
of people.
Oh, the caliber of people.
And then people that come here, they're like, it's the people.
It's the people.
It's the people.
It is, So as much as I can't stand YouTube
thank God
Google,
for the algorithm.
Thank God for the algorithm, because we talk a lot about God, family, and country, and we attract a lot of people just like that.
Yeah.
It's been wheat from the chaff. The chaff will fall away, and the wheat is still hanging around, and super excited for the future.
So if you're still here, thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for hanging around. So leave a comment below. Please give this video a thumbs up. Check if you subscribe, because you may have been unsubscribed and not know it. It happens a lot. Maybe we're here for 2 to 5 more years. We don't know.
Yeah.
But we're open-minded to be obedient to him, and we're going to go where he tells us to go.
That's right.
Hope
So
you guys come with us.
we'll see you in the next video.